Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. Today we are going to be doing a Winter Wonderland tablescape. And as you can see, all these beautiful things on the centerpiece of the table I've already had, and there's nothing new or any expense. But I did spend some money on some new plates for Winter Wonderland. The total cost of those plates was $16 a place setting, and that brought that total to $32. Everything here except for the plates I already had. The silverware is mine, and the fairy plates and fairy cups are mine. But everything else is brand new, and the total cost was $32. I thought it was a pretty good deal. What do you think? Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoy all these beautiful plates that I have purchased. But it turned out pretty nice. It looks better filming it on overhead lights. The candles just don't give enough light to show how beautiful these plates are. And I thought the pattern was just gorgeous. Looks like she's got a little attitude, doesn't it? Oh my gosh, I just love my fairy plates. These I've had for quite a few years. They were a gift from my granddaughter. My grandchildren all know what Grandma loves. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying this video and enjoying how beautiful these plates all looked. I was very, very happy with them. And they look really nice with these fairy plates I already had. And I thought the saucers looked, well, they're not saucers, the salad plates look pretty nice to use as saucers, so I went ahead and used them. Now you can see how beautiful everything is. A little better light with it over. And look how the alabaster, it has all the pretty yellows and sort of a blue turquoise and purple in there, just like a rainbow. Just love them so much. We're doing a tablescape Winter Wonderland. Everything in here I've already had. Nothing is new on this centerpiece. A zero cost. Is she not a beautiful snow lady? Her pretty, cute pink cheeks and her cute carrot nose and her velvet hat, and of course all the beautiful fur and feathers she has, and of course her stylish velvet purse. Is it not beautiful? And of course the beautiful crystal candlesticks with the snow balls on top. Is it not romantic? Let's see what it looks like lit by candlelight. Now this is what I call romantic. So beautifully put together. We have our teapot here and our tea and sugar and milk ready to set down and have a nice hot cup of tea with our dinner on a chilly night. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to share with you how beautiful everything looks with candlelight. The candlelight just picks up the beautiful look how the candles reflect on the teapot. Is that not beautiful? Oh, it is so beautiful. This is how it would look if I used these salad plates with those dishes. Are they not the most beautiful things you've seen? Well, I'm going to let you go. I just wanted to share with you what I'm up to. This was Winter Wonderland, and I hope you enjoyed it today.